Hello, everyone. Hope you're all good and welcome back to another episode with Bristol Crypto Craig here on February the 23rd, 2021. My plan tonight was to do some tokenomics and some technical analysis and some fundamentals on a few coins, but I feel the need to put that on hold for 24 hours as I just explain what is going on in the markets at the moment. It has been a brutal 24 to 48 hours. A lot of people are getting shaken out by it at the moment, and a lot of people are seeing the fear of what is going on with the markets at the moment, guys. So I just want to spend a bit of time just like reassuring people really what is going on at the moment with the markets. The prices have been pretty rough the last 48 hours. As you can see, Bitcoin is down 10%. Ethereum is following suit. Binance Coin, who has had a hell of a run lately, has gone down 12%. The market is red, guys, and it can be pretty panicky. And I can understand that for a lot of people that are pretty new to the crypto world, that it can be a bit off-putting. It can be a bit a bit nervous for people. But this, to me, I just see opportunity. I love this kind of market at the moment. The correction that we're seeing at the moment is long overdue. It's needed to happen. It's a healthy correction. In fact, it's very healthy. I'd rather see this correction and this dip in the market rather than green and pumps. This for me is healthier than seeing green. So yeah, like I said, this for me, guys, is just the opportunity to fill your bags and to buy more money, buy more coins and tokens even. Um, Stack your fiat and keep packing your bags because this is glorious. From an investor's point of view, you should be seeing stars really. But a lot of people are getting shaken out. I have seen a lot of people come and go from this space of crypto because they weren't quite made for it, or they weren't built for the turbulence that the market of crypto offers. It is very volatile. It is probably the most volatile space um, in the investment world. In this space, you probably will struggle to find anything more volatile. It can get insane at times. Um, but it does recover. And when it recovers, you go one step back and you go two steps forward. So, it's not for everyone. A lot of people will get shaken out in times like this, and people will leave the space, which is understandable. Um, but let's have a look, guys, at the moment at Ethereum today. Okay, so I've got the Ethereum dollar chart up here, guys, and as you can see, like I said, this is a healthy correction. If all you're seeing is green, 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 that is not healthy because eventually you are going to see a major crash. So it's better that it works like this. So what you see here at the moment, guys, is previous resistance now turning into support. By that I mean this level here, where we were struggling to break out of 1400 back in January, has now turned into a level of support here, which is a good sign. So we had trouble breaking through resistance, guys, here. We managed to break through. We tried to break 2000. We had a rejection, and we've come back down now to the previous highs, and um, the previous resistance has now become support, which is good. That is a great bullish sign for Ethereum, guys. What I would expect now from here would be something like to go upwards from here and to break through the 2000 barrier, guys, here now. That is what I would expect to see from here. I would expect once this correction is over, I think we're pretty much bottoming out now on the correction, and I would expect to see us move through to the new all-time highs and break well through that 2000 mark, guys, there with Ethereum. Okay, I want you to take a look at the Bitcoin USD chart as well, guys. Okay, now once again, healthy correction. It has been a bit brutal, admittedly. We were on our way to £60,000 mark, and we have had a pullback, a pretty brutal pullback to the mid 40s. I wouldn't expect us to go much below 42, 44. To be honest, guys, I really wouldn't. I think we're pretty much bottoming out now as well here on the Bitcoin USD at the moment. And from here, I would now expect to see us going up here and breaking through the $60,000 mark now. And I would also expect to see us breaking on from here after the correction, going up to $70,000, $80,000 in the coming weeks, months. Now, the reason for the dump in the Bitcoin market, it's probably a lot to do with the mining rig pools in China, who are mining their Bitcoin and then they dump it on the market, which can dump the price down. That is probably what's behind it. Not so much the institutions and the big corporations that are coming recently. Tesla and stuff are coming to buy Bitcoin lately. They haven't sold any, not that I can see. And all I can see here is the Chinese miners dumping their coins at the on market and dumping the price down. That is what I see is going on at the moment, guys. And I do not see this continuing for very long before we actually move on to the upward trend and move on from here. Now, I was just going to show you guys as well a chart that I want to show you here, just to show you really what is going on in the markets and stuff, you know, if you are getting shaken out. So I'm going to show you a chart here, guys, okay? A lot of people are at the moment not sure what is going on and are getting shaken out by it. Let me just give you an example here, guys, okay? Let me just show you this, okay? Right. So here we are. In the 2017 bull run, okay? Now, at the moment, we are down here. And this is why I am not in the slightest bit concerned about the corrections that are going on at the moment. This is purely just a shakeout. Now, people that haven't seen this chart will probably think, you know, let's sell, let's short my coins. I assure you guys, all you should be doing at the moment is longing, buying the dip. That is what you should be doing now, just buying the dip. And that is what I have done myself today with the various coins. My portfolio at the moment, it's up and down tens of thousands at the moment, basically. It's going like, yeah, up and down $20,000 at the moment. So it is very volatile. Look, here we are, guys, okay? So we're at the start. Imagine the 2017 at the bottom is 2021. Bull runs tend to repeat. They tend to be a recycled kind of a chart from the previous bull runs. You saw one in 2013, 2017. So imagine down the bottom here is not 2017. Change the dates to 2021, guys, okay? And this is what I expect to play out. I do not think that this bull run is in jeopardy. I do not think that we are anywhere near the end of this bull run. In fact, I think we're only just at the very, very bottom of the mountain, as you can see here. Yeah, there is a long way to go, guys. So here we are. Let's say we're coming up to March, as we are now in 2021. So we're down here, okay? And this correction we're experiencing now could be this little correction here. You know, we've just seen pumps, and then we've had a little correction, which could be in this area here. Once we recover from this, whether it's this week or next week, we're going to move back on to the higher gains, and we're going to go up. And then we'll probably see another pullback, another pump, another pullback. And then when it gets to April, the fun starts. Okay, we tend to go up here. Okay, we'll have a few small pullbacks. We will have pullbacks on the way. A lot of people will get shaken out. A lot of people do exit from the crypto industry. A number of people I've seen come and go. You know, it's a lot. And then we're going to see pullbacks down here. In the summer, we're going to see big gains up here. And then towards the end of the year, we start going parabolic. Even then, you will still have pullbacks until the parabolic blow off top, which I believe will come around about November. It could come slightly sooner. We could look at a slightly earlier bull run. It could come September, October. But I believe here we could be looking at October, November before we start pulling back again. So this is if you ever have any doubt about what the crypto market can offer, guys, just call up this chart, you know, and just have a look at this chart. And that, if that doesn't put your mind at ease, I don't think anything will. This is what is to come. We're here. We are going here. What more can I say, guys? You know, believe me, when we are in the parabolic bull run, you will know we are in the parabolic bull run. No mistake about it. You will see gains of 100% a day. Those 100% will compound into 200%, 400%, to 800%, and the parabolic run will be absolutely insane. When we start getting to after like summer, midsummer, end of summer, and we start going like this, you will know. You will not need to be told we are in parabolic alt season, because you will know, and Bitcoin will go to 100K plus more than that. Your altcoins will just be doubling every day on numerous consecutive days, and yeah, you will. Every time you refresh your phone, you're going up, basically, guys. Yeah. So each time you refresh your phone, it is just going to keep pumping and pumping and pumping. It's a fun time, guys. It's a fun time, believe me. So I hope that's put some of your minds at rest. The miners are playing with the Bitcoin price at the moment, and this is just the time, guys. You should be buying now. You should be doing nothing but buying. This is the perfect opportunity, and I am loving the charts at the moment. So like I said, guys, I put my talk on Zilliqa that I want to talk about on hold because of this current scenario at the moment, which I feel was superseded it because a lot of people are panicking. If you like what I'm doing on the channel, guys, if you could hit the like button down there for me, and also subscribe to my channel. It helps my algorithm, which I'm trying to rebuild up after a hacking a while back where I lost a lot of my subscribers and a lot of my viewers. I'm trying to get back on track and trying to get the channel back up in order. So if you're going to hit that subscription and like, guys, it would do a lot for my algorithm with the YouTube network. And I'll be back with you all tomorrow, guys, as well. And I'm going to leave you with this chart. If you need to, print it out, put it up on the wall, stick it by your bedside table, and just follow the dates, look. Follow the dates where we are. You know, this cycle isn't going to be exactly the same. History doesn't repeat, but it does trace. Just look at this chart if you're unsecure. January, February, March. And look where we are to where we are going. There you go, guys. It's a no-brainer, isn't it? Thanks for watching my channel. Hit the like and subscribe. Bristol BitBoy Craig, checking out. And we will be back with you tomorrow. And I'm going to do some technical analysis and some more market talk as well. Hopefully the market may correct a bit more. But I think from here we've pretty much bottomed out. We've turned a lot of resistance into support. And Bitcoin now pretty much at the bottom, guys. Right, thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bristol Crypto Craig, check it out. Talk soon. Take care, guys.